Did you know that the Samsung Galaxy A series has sold over 100 million units worldwide? That's a lot of phones making waves. The Samsung Galaxy A57 is the latest addition to this popular lineup, and it's been generating quite a buzz. What makes it so special, you ask? Well, it's designed to appeal to both casual users who want a reliable phone for everyday tasks and tech-savvy folks who crave advanced features. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface make it a compelling choice. Samsung's next-generation mid-range smartphones, the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57, could launch next year with notable camera hardware upgrades, according to a new report based on leaked software code. The company appears to be shifting its A-series imaging strategy toward larger sensors and more balanced hardware choices. The changes suggest a stronger focus on optical performance rather than relying mainly on software processing. The early details suggest Samsung aims to raise mid-range camera standards ahead of a 2026 launch. Samsung Galaxy A37, Galaxy A57 camera specifications. According to a SmartBricks report, leaked software parameters reveal detailed camera configurations for the Samsung Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57. Both smartphones will reportedly share a new 50-megapixel main camera, using either the Sony IMX906 sensor or Samsung's in-house ISOCELL S5K GNJ, depending on the region. Both sensors are said to use a larger 1.56-inch optical format, which is a significant step up from the 1.95-inch sensor used in the Galaxy A36, the report added. A larger sensor allows more light intake, which is expected to improve dynamic range, low light performance, and image clarity. The Samsung Galaxy A57 is expected to sit higher in Samsung's mid-range lineup due to its secondary cameras. It is tipped to feature a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera using the ISOCELL S5K 3L6 sensor, paired with a 5-megapixel macro camera based on the Galaxy Core GC05A3 sensor. For selfies, the Galaxy A57 is expected to use a 12-megapixel ISOCELL S5K 3LC sensor. Meanwhile, the purported Samsung Galaxy A37, while sharing the same upgraded 50-megapixel main camera, is expected to use more modest secondary sensors. The ultra-wide camera is listed as an 8-megapixel Galaxy Core GC08A3 sensor, alongside the same 5-megapixel Galaxy Core GC05A3 macro camera used on the A57, as per the report. The front camera is said to use a 12-megapixel Galaxy Core GC12A2 sensor, creating a clearer hardware distinction between the two models. The sensor selection is also said to highlight Samsung's supply strategy, with a mix of Sony, ISOCELL, and Galaxy Core sensors across different cameras and regions. The move to a larger main sensor on both phones reportedly signals Samsung's intent to deliver tangible camera improvements at the hardware level in its mid-range lineup. For casual users, the A57 offers a seamless experience with its intuitive operating system and a wide range of apps at your fingertips. For tech enthusiasts, it's equipped with some impressive specs that we'll dive into later. The A series has always been about providing affordable options without compromising too much on performance. Over the years, Samsung has fine-tuned its approach to offer devices that meet the needs of a broad audience. As a leading smartphone manufacturer, Samsung knows a thing or two about creating devices that appeal to different segments. The A series, in particular, has been a game-changer by offering quality at an affordable price. The Galaxy A series has played a significant role in Samsung's success, providing a balance between features and affordability. This series has been instrumental in making Samsung a household name. Your feedback helps me create more content that matters to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smartphone reviews and tech insights.